Yo guys, what's up? Here we are on a Quadruple Witching Day. We're managing these options in my Tradestation account. Let's take a look at what we have. We have American. This is deep in the money. Nothing I can do. As far as that goes, there's nothing that I can really do. I could roll it, but I wouldn't get anything out of it. Might have to pay, so I'm not going to do that. Apple's not expiring for a while. This Boeing 230 call looks like it's expiring, and I believe we can probably get some premium out of it. Boeing's a pretty volatile stock recently, so I'm going to roll it out to the monthlies. Looks like we're going to get about $4. That's awesome. I'll take it. Let's see what we get. Let's take a look at the order and get it. So we gotta play with it a little. Oh, it's really chopping down here. Alright, let's go down to 61. Perfect, filled. 61. I like it. Alright, we got Beyond is in April. Cleveland Cliffs, April. JetBlue is deep in the money. 15. You can see I bought it for 15. I kept selling calls against it. So I made a bunch of money on it. Now it's time to go. Grand Canyon is April. Palantir. I love this stock. Let's roll it. Let's roll it out a month. Some pretty good premium out of there. Let's go to 81 and see what we can do. Okay, that executed. Perfect. So we're at silver. Oh, the silver's a mess. Silver is supposed to make a big run. Never made it. So now I'm stuck with all this silver. I don't mind owning it, but I don't want to own it when it's so low. So I can roll it out a month. Stuff's going to be making a jump soon, so it's a pretty tight market. So let's go 35. Let's go. Make $100 on it. I'll take it. All right. What else do we have in there? I had some call options. I really thought silver was going to go to the moon. The rest is in April and in May. Okay, well, we still have a chance because the hard metal price is not in alignment with the ETF price. So there's still some opportunity. Urban Outfitters were way deep in the money. It's okay. The VIX is expiring today, so let's see if I can roll it out. There could be some more volatility coming, so let's see what happens here. I'll take it, just so I don't have to deal with the getting called out on it. Workhorse is a really success story over this last few days. They had some bad news. That's why I put the option on the beginning. And then there was a soft floor at 16, hard floor at 15. Did it at my other account too. Made some $400. I'll take it. Now the stock is, this option is going to expire worthless. So, no problems there. Anyway, guys, that's it for this account for the day. Happy Quadruple Witching Day. Good luck out there in the markets. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more daily options trades. Once again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's just some guy on the internet showing you what he's doing, to how he handles his options, how to make some money, potentially. Alright guys, thanks for watching.